So screen is visible. Hello. Hello. Okay. So one bit is remaining from last, that unit number 2, velocity and acceleration, that I will take in the morning session. So 1 hour, within 1 hour that I will cover. So now from the first section, so we have covered this simple mechanism, then velocity and acceleration, and only one Coriolis component and this clean construction. So whatever important, and this is also important, that I will cover in one lecture in the morning session. So then this chapter we have covered from the second section, that is gear and gear trains, and now we are going to cover this gyroscope. So with less effort you can have weightage of around 12 to 13 marks if theory examination happens, and for MCQ 4 to 5 marks. So by keeping that point of view, I am just starting this new chapter, that is gyroscope. So probably I lost the connection. Wait for 1 minute. काय 1 मिनिट वेट करा बरं का, बहुतेक इंटरनेटचा इश्यू आहे. प्लीज वेट फॉर 1 मिनिट. कनेक्ट. Is visible. So now I have connected through mobile internet. Screen is visible to everybody. Kiran.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just I would like to brief about the syllabus with respect to this unit. So gyroscopic couple, then spinning and precessional motion, then gyroscopic couple and its effect on aeroplane, ship, four-wheeler and two-wheeler. So in this unit we are going to derive one relation with respect to this gyroscopic couple, and that relation is very simple. So one expression, so C is equal to I omega omega P. So with that simple formula we are able to determine the quantity of gyroscopic couple, and by applying right hand screw rule, we are able to determine the action or effect of gyroscopic couple on aeroplane, then ship, then four-wheeler and the two-wheeler. So we are going to take the examples. We are going to write the data, then we are going to draw the vector diagram, and we are going to solve the example. Okay. So this is schematic representation of gyroscope. So this one is the schematic representation on the left hand side, and this is actually the gyroscope device. So actually it is similar to one of the toy. So previously it was used as a toy, and later it has been used to study the effect of gyroscopic couple on the various aeroplanes, then ship, two-wheeler and the four-wheeler. Okay. So let us see the meaning of word. So this is the gyroscope. So gyroscope. So scope means we know the area in which it is applied. So gyre is a Greek word meaning circular motion, and gyration means whirling motion. Gyration means whirling motion. So a gyroscope is a special mechanism which is generally employed for study of precessional motion of rotary body. So generally it is a device or a rotating disc which resists to turn in any direction. So how to resist to turn in any direction? Just by lifting the axis of spin. So various terms we are going to see. So gyroscope finds application in gyrocompass, is used in aircraft, is used in naval ship, and is also used in a control system of missiles and space shuttles. So these are the applications wherein gyroscope or the device is used for a particular task. So you know that whenever we are riding on a bike, right, and on the curvature we are tilting ourselves to maintain the curved path, right? So ज्या मुलांकडे बाईक आहे त्यांनी कदाचित बघितलं असेल की बाबा आपण टर्न घेताना किंवा एखाद्या कर्वेचरवरून व्हेकल बाईक चालवताना, right? So we are tilting ourselves in inward direction. So that is nothing but your action to neutralize the reaction due to the gyro, right? Whatever tilting that takes place by the rider, or that is done by the rider, that is in order to maintain the bike on a curved path. जर आपल्याला बाईक कर्वड पाथ वरून कंट्रोल्ड वे जर न्यायची असेल तर आपण बॉडी आतल्या बाजूला टिल्ट करतो. दॅट इज बेस्ट एक्झाम्पल ऑफ गायरोस्कोपिक कपल. गायरोस्कोपिक कपल तयार होऊन व्हेकल किंवा बाईक रस्ता सोडायचा प्रयत्न करते, राईट. सो इट इज ड्रॅगिंग टुवर्ड्स in outward direction. So to maintain or to control its motion in a curved path, we need to apply external force, and that is nothing but our body. We are tilting in inward direction. So here the gyroscopic effect is also felt on the automotive vehicles while negotiating the turn, right? So that is two-wheeler and the four-wheeler. So that effect we are going to study. Okay, just you can see these figures along with the animation. So a gyroscope consists of rotor mounted in the inner gimbal. So there are three gimbals. So inner one, then middle one, and this one is the outer one. So in the inner gimbal or ring, there is a rotor and which is spinning. So just read the second one. The inner gimbal is mounted in outer gimbal, which itself is mounted on a fixed frame as shown in the figure. So this one is, here you can see this stationary diagram. This one is the animation, right? So you can see this one is inner gimbal, this one is outer gimbal, and this one is the mounting. That's same you can see here. Now you can see that when rotor spins about x-axis, so this is x-axis, this one is y-axis, and this is z-axis. Wait for 1 minute. Okay. So just I will show you instead of showing directly. So you can consider simple diagram I will show. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this one is z-axis. So these three axes are there, and these three axes are mutually perpendicular. So to this x, this y is perpendicular. To this y, this z is perpendicular, and to this x, this z is perpendicular. So this is coordinate system, and we need to concentrate rotor or disc here, x, y, and z. Right? So when the rotor spins about x-axis with angular velocity omega radian per second. So what is happening there? The inner gimbal precesses or rotate about z-axis, about sorry, about y-axis. So because of that, the facial mechanism is forced to turn it about z-axis other than its own axis of rotation. So the gyroscopic effect is the setup. So at the start only I have told this definition. The resistance to this motion is called as a gyroscopic effect. Resistance to this motion is called as the gyroscopic effect. So just I will show you once again. Now I will take one example. This is one shaft and on which this is the wheel which is mounted, and for time being it is rotating in clockwise direction. This is A point, this one is B point, right? So I will show here omega, right? So again, if we are going to consider omega, then radian per second, or if here I will show n, then we are getting, suppose I will write here 300 rpm. So how to convert it? 2 pi n divided by 60. These are the mathematical expression. Now suppose this is an one example I am showing to you with respect to the gyroscopic couple. So in the previous slide, the resistance to this motion is called gyroscopic effect. Now if we are going to consider this is having horizontal, perfectly horizontal position, right? And for time being I will show this is at x distance. This one is the reference. Neat laksh द्या. Okay. Now suppose this disk is rotating with omega and this is AB. This is one shaft. And suppose this disk is rotating with some omega, and if we want to move this B end, now just I will draw another view. So its a top view is similar to this. This is front view and this is top view. समजा आपण हे टॉप व्ह्यू मध्ये दिसतंय, and if you want to turn this shaft in this way, what will happen? So this end is going to lift in upward direction. Upward direction. Why? Because of gyroscopic effect. Then to maintain it in horizontal manner, we need to apply the external load. आता बाईक वरून आपण चाललोय एखाद्या कर्वेचर वरून, किंवा कर्वड पाथ आहे आणि बाईक वरून आपण चाललोय. सो व्हील इज आल्सो टिल्टेड. सो व्हील इज आल्सो टिल्टेड. व्हील टिल्टेड होतं म्हणजे काय होतं नेमकं? सो take this another example. एक मिनिट. असा लेफ्ट टर्न घेतला आपण. सो दिस वॉज इनिशियल पोझिशन. पुढचं चाक आहे समजा, पुढचं व्हील आहे कशाचं, बाईकचं, आणि हा एक्सेल आहे. आणि ज्यावेळेस कर्वेचरवरून जातोय आपण, दॅट बाईक इज मुव्हिंग, तर त्यावेळेस व्हील असं टिल्ट होत. टिल्ट झाला म्हणजे काय झालं, हा ऍक्सिस एवढ्या डिस्टन्सनं वर लिफ्ट झाला. दॅट मीन्स we have changed the direction of angular momentum. So this is omega. So just listen. This one is the shaft. This is disc. And it is rotating with omega. So if this is rotating with omega and it is rotating in clockwise direction, so omega is nothing but angular velocity. How to represent angular momentum for this situation? So H is equal to I into omega. This is the prerequisite formula. So angular momentum H is equal to I into omega. This is angular velocity and mass moment of inertia. So generally angular momentum is represented by drawing vector by considering the sign convention like this. Here this is I omega vector for this angular momentum. So angular momentum चा formula आहे, already you have studied. It is I omega mass moment of inertia into angular velocity. Similarly angular velocity कशी represent करतायत? So just by drawing the vector, this one is the magnitude and this is the direction, which is based on either it is clockwise or the anti-clockwise. So a gyroscope is a device which resists to turn in any direction. How it is resisting to turn in any direction? By lifting. त्यामुळे एखादी फोर व्हीलर जास्त वेगामध्ये जर कर्वेचर होऊन गेली तर स्लाइड होते, रस्त्याच्या बाजूला पडते. Why it is there? Because axle can lift from one side, and what is that lift? That is nothing but the resistance in the form of lift of one of the end. मग तुम्ही वळणावरनं गाडी आपण कशी घेतो? जनरली we are just reducing the speed and negotiating the turn. निगोशिएट मीन्स पार करणे. टर्न पार करताना आपण गाडीचं स्पीड, व्हेकलचं स्पीड कमी करतो. अँड वी आर गोइंग टू निगोशिएट द टर्न. आणि जर ते स्पीड तेवढंच ठेवलं तर गायरोस्कोपिक कपल it will be more, and because of that there will be uncontrolled motion of the vehicle. So what is the formula for gyroscopic couple? C is equal to, तो डिराइव करणार आहे, फक्त आता इथे लक्षात द्या. This one is mass moment of inertia. This is omega 2 pi n divided by 60. Here n is nothing but रोटेशनल स्पीड. मग व्हेकलचं स्पीड जर जास्त असेल तर हा ओमेगा जास्त असणार आहे, आणि हा ओमेगा जास्त असेल तर कपल जास्त असेल, आणि कपल जास्त असेल तर रेजिस्टन्स जास्त असेल. सो इफ वी वॉन्ट टू मेंटेन द हॉरिझॉन्टल पोझिशन of the axis of rotation, it is not possible at high speed, and to maintain that horizontal speed we need to have application of external force. Okay, so write down in your notebook, write down. So out of this some will be asked in MCQ, so please write down. A gyroscope, a gyroscope, a gyroscope gyroscope is a special mechanism, is a special mechanism is a special mechanism special mechanism which is generally employed, which is generally employed which is generally employed for the study of precessional motion of rotary body. Precessional motion of rotary body. Precessional motion of rotary body. Next line you can write, gyroscope finds application in gyrocompass, application in gyrocompass application in gyrocompass, comma used in used in aircraft, naval ship, aircraft, naval ship, control system, control system, control system, control system of missiles and space shuttles, of missile and space shuttle. Space shuttle. Next line, write down the gyroscopic effect. Gyroscopic effect gyroscopic effect is also felt on the automotive vehicle automotive vehicle while negotiating while negotiating while negotiating a turn while negotiating a turn. Next line, you can write, right? Gyroscope is gyroscope is gyroscope is essentially a rotating mechanism, essentially a rotating mechanism, rotating mechanism which offers resistance to turn resistance to turn resistance to turn in any direction, turn in any direction, resistance to turn in any direction. Next line, you can write, right? Definitions. 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 So these are the important with respect to the MCQ type examination. So write down first definition, right? Gyroscope, gyroscope Write down. A heavy, small heavy wheel, a small heavy wheel, a small heavy wheel, a small heavy wheel, rotated at very high speed, rotated at very high speed, rotated at very high speed, usually electrically, comma, in anti-friction bearing, anti-friction bearings, or or you can write or or a rotating mechanism, a rotating mechanism, a rotating mechanism, a rotating mechanism, a rotating mechanism in the form of, in the form of universally, in the form of universally mounted spinning wheel, universally mounted spinning wheel that offers, that offers, that offers resistance to turn, resistance to turn in any direction, resistance to turn in any direction, resistance to turn in any direction. Now just listen. So this is spin axis, this one is spin axis, this is one rotor, right, and this is rotating in this direction. So this is called as a spin motion. And twist on spin axis. So if you are going to hold a right hand at this end and left hand at this end, तर इथं राईट हँड असा पुढच्या बाजूला मूव्ह करायचा आणि हा पाठीमागच्या बाजूला मूव्ह करायचा. व्हॉट विल हॅपन? देयर विल बी अप्लाइड टिपिंग फोर्स. What will happen? This is the spin axis. It will try to lift like this because of this applied tipping force, right? So gyroscopic effect will disturb its horizontal position. So such rotating components in vehicle, आता ऑटोमोबाईल जर घेतली तर त्याच्यामध्ये इंजिन आहे. सो फॉर द इंजिन देर इज क्रँकशाफ्ट, देर इज फ्लायव्हील, देर इज क्लच. In case of transmission system, there are transmission gears, there is propeller shaft, there is wheel. असे कितीतरी रोटेटिंग कंपोनेंट आहेत कशामध्ये? ऑटोमोबाईल मध्ये, राईट. अँड दोज कंपोनेंट्स आर rotating at high velocities and they are going to have their individual axis of spin. आता दोन पाठीमागचे व्हील घेतले व्हेकलचे तर त्याचा ऍक्सिस वेगळा आहे. फ्लायव्हील रोटेट होणार आहे, त्याचा ऍक्सिस वेगळा आहे. पुढचे व्हील आहेत ते रोटेट होणार आहे, त्याचा ऍक्सिस वेगळा आहे. राईट. सो सच सिच्युएशन, such applied tipping force due to precision of this axis from this to this, there will be gyroscopic couple. आता आपण लेफ्टला टर्न करतोय म्हणजे ऍक्सल आपण व्हील लेफ्टला टर्न केल्यानंतर सो अँग्युलर मोमेंटम वेक्टर it is going to change, it will change its direction. Now for time being, this one is I omega, and if this axis is turned, direction of this I omega, previously this is the direction and now this is the direction. So this much change is going to took place, and because of that there will be tipping force. So next you can write, so just you can see this diagram. So this one is the disk, this is x-axis, this one is delta theta, this one is new x-axis, this one is y-axis, and this is z-axis. So we have written definition for this gyroscope. You can draw this diagram in your notebook. आधी मी सांगतो पहिल्यांदा. This is x-axis, this one is y-axis, this one is z-axis, this one is z-axis. This is, so this one is for reactive and one is for the active. So x, y and z, and this z dash is nothing but for this reactive opposite side, right? So x, y and z, ही एक प्लेन आहे, ही प्लेन आहे, and this one is the third plane. So draw this diagram and then I will tell this remaining definition. So I will give 5 minutes. किरण फिगर ड्रॉ करताय ना?
Yes, sir.
हा. सो हा सुरुवातीला थोडा टफ वाटतो, पण एकदम सिंपल चॅप्टर आहे. So that's why I'm giving some dictation. Otherwise, I'm having notes in good handwriting of my own, so that I will provide scanned copy of the same. But for time being, you can take some of the dictation that is required. रोहित, तुमच्या नेटवर्कला काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे का रोहित? रोल नंबर 58.
कॉल येतोय सर सारखा, त्यामुळे जरा
नाही घ्यायचा नाही हो, लेक्चर करायचं, कॉल नाही
अर्ज
घ्यायचा.
अर्जंट आहे जरा.
हम्म.
अर्जंट आहेत कॉल हो सर.
कसं सारखं लॅपटॉप मी इथं स्क्रीनला असं कसं?
काय करणार, कॉल पण अर्जंट आहेत.
Then you should have choice of one na. Give priority. Then whether you are drawing this diagram,
नो सर,
then
घरी नाही सर मी.
okay. Kiran, diagram completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this gyroscope definition we have completed. Then just listen. This is one disc and it is rotating about this x-axis, and this one is the direction of viewing. So this is very important while solving the numericals. So direction of viewing from this side, this is, we are visualizing this is going to rotate in anti-clockwise direction. This is important while drawing the vector diagram. So whatever this OX is nothing but axis of spin, axis about which rotor rotates or body revolves, that is nothing but axis of spin. Take down this second definition. Axis of spin, write down. The axis of spin, the axis of spin, the axis of spin is the axis about which, is the axis about which, is the axis about which, about which body revolves, about which body revolves. Body revolves. Next, Next you can write precession. 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 Write down. So for this precession, first you can see this one is OX. This is horizontal plane. OX, this OZ, and I am talking about this plane. This is horizontal plane, right? Now in the top view, so whenever we are observing from the top, then what you are observing, this is initial position, and after some time this one is new position, that is OX prime. OX prime, and axis of spin is turned through this small delta theta. Small delta theta. So what is precession? It is the turning of this OX axis about this Y axis. About Y axis. That is vertical axis, whatever displayed on the screen. You can write precession means precision means precision means precision means precision means rotation about rotation about rotation about rotation about third axis third axis third axis which is third axis which is perpendicular to both which is perpendicular to both the spin axis and the couple axis. The spin axis OX, write down the spin axis OX, it is important, spin axis OX, and the couple axis OZ. Couple axis OZ. So OX and OZ. This is perpendicular. हा OY axis आहे तो OZ आणि OX ला परपेंडिकुलर आहे. OZ respectively. OZ respectively. Then आता हा OX ह्या ऍक्सिसच्या अबाउट टर्न होतोय, म्हणून हा ऍक्सिस कसा, हे हॉरिझॉन्टल प्लेन आहे. हॉरिझॉन्टल प्लेन मध्ये सुरुवातीला OX ही इनिशियल पोझिशन आहे आणि त्याच्यानंतर OX डॅश OX प्राइम सॉरी, and this axis is going to precess in the horizontal plane about which axis, this OY axis. Next line you can write. These definitions are important. Write down next line. Axis of precession. Axis of precession. Axis of precession. Axis of precession. Write down. It is axis about which, it is axis about which it is axis about which axis of spin is to turn is called axis of precession. So this we have written, this and this. Next line you can write precession plane. Write down the plane in which ही जी plane आहे horizontal plane, this horizontal plane, that is nothing but plane of precession. The plane in which axis of spin turns axis of spin turns is known as precession plane. Okay, so next you can write axis of spin झाला, axis of precision
सर
complete it.
सर ते प्रिसिशन प्लेन रिपीट करायचं.
ठीक आहे करतो एकच मिनिट हा. ओके, सो प्रिसेशन प्लेन आता हे नीट लक्ष द्या. OX time being you can consider this as a horizontal axis, this one vertical axis, and this one is perpendicular axis to these two. This is a plane, a dotted line ने दाखवलेली horizontal plane आहे आणि that is nothing but plane of precision. मग हा OX नवीन पोझिशन त्याची कुठली आहे? OX डॅश. इकडे लक्ष द्या. Now if you are going to consider हे टॉप व्यू काढतो बरं का, लक्षात ठेवा. and here it is wheel. हा फ्रंट व्यू आहे. so we are observing from this direction. आणि हा टॉप व्यू आहे. या टॉप व्यू मध्ये आपल्याला रोटर दिसतोय आणि हा शाफ्ट दिसतोय. आणि टॉप व्यू मध्येच हा डेल्टा थीटा, कारण ही हॉरिझॉन्टल प्लेन म्हणजेच काय आहे? टॉप व्यू मध्ये. दिस इज ओरिजिनल ऍक्सिस अँड दिस वन इज द न्यू ऍक्सिस. हा ऍक्सिस हॉरिझॉन्टल प्लेन मध्येच प्रेसाइज झाला. राईट. सो द प्लेन इन विच axis of spin precedes, that is called as a plane of precision. किंवा हा axis of spin आहे. so for this axis of spin it has to turn in this horizontal plane. So this is nothing but the precision plane. किंवा एखादे व्हेइकल कन्सिडर करा and it is moving on a straight road and now it is going to turn in left direction. मग लेफ्ट डायरेक्शनला टर्न करण्यासाठी व्हील्स आर गोइंग टू टर्न. मग व्हीलचा जो ऍक्सिस ऑफ रोटेशन आहे that is going to change and it will have new direction of angular momentum. So like that only, this is initial condition, and after time delta t it has new position. This one is initially and this one is the new position. Okay, next line you can write gyroscopic couple. Gyroscopic couple. Gyroscopic couple. आता आपण इथे काय बघितलं. सो ऍक्सिस ऑफ स्पिन आणि हे डिस्क रोटेट अँटी क्लॉकवाइज होत आहे. इकडून बघितल्यानंतर आपल्याला ही प्लेन दिसणार आहे. इकडून बघितल्यानंतर वी आर गोइंग टू ऑब्झर्व this plane. Okay, this is called as a plane of spinning. नीट लक्ष द्या, plane of spinning. आता टॉप व्ह्यू मधून बघितल्यानंतर तुम्हाला कुठली प्लेन दिसणार आहे. प्लेन ऑफ प्रिसिशन. अँड इकडून बघितल्यानंतर व्हॉट वी आर गोइंग टू ऑब्झर्व प्लेन ऑफ gyroscopic couple. So that's why it is called as a gyroscopic plane. So whatever tilting of this axis in upward or in downward direction, नीट लक्ष द्या. हा ऍक्सिस प्रिसिस झालाय तो प्रिसिजन प्लेन मध्ये दिसला आणि ह्या ऍक्सिसच्या अबाउट रोटेट झाला, हा सुद्धा कशात दिसला आपल्याला प्रिसिजन मध्ये, प्रिसिजन प्लेन मध्ये. रोटर रोटेट होतोय, हा आपल्याला ह्या प्लेन मध्ये दिसला, प्लेन ऑफ स्पिन. नाउ ड्यू टू द गायरोस्कोपिक कपल हा ऍक्सिस वर जाणार आहे का खाली जाणार आहे, कुठल्या बाजूला दिसणार आहे आपल्याला ह्या प्लेन मध्ये. म्हणजे ह्या प्लेन मध्ये तुमच्या लक्षात येणार आहे की बाबा दिस एक्स एंड इज लिफ्टेड और इट इज डीप्ड. ह्या एक्स बद्दल बोलत नाही, हा एक्स प्राइम आपल्याला हॉरिझॉन्टल प्लेन मध्ये दिसतोय. सो प्रिव्हियस स्लाइड मध्ये बघा, राइट. सो दिस इज द ऍक्सिस ऑफ स्पिन आणि हा ऍक्सिस ऑफ स्पिन आपल्याला टिल्ट झालेला ह्या पुढच्या प्लेन मध्ये दिसणार आहे. आणि मग ही प्लेन कुठली आहे, प्लेन ऑफ कपल. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ प्लेन ऑफ कपल. सो you can imagine this. So whatever diagram I have drawn here, just for your information, I will take that diagram on this slide also. Okay, so this one is, just give 1 minute. As per this line diagram, I have just changed. Now it is matching. मग हा एक्सिस किंवा हा एक्सिस whether it is going to lift in upward or downward direction आपल्याला ह्या प्लेन मध्ये दिसणार आहे किंवा ह्या प्लेन ऑफ स्लाइड. त्याच्यामुळे we are, because of that we are going to call it as a gyroscopic plane. You can write the plane perpendicular to both perpendicular to both. Perpendicular to both. This is the plane perpendicular to both. Spin and precision plane. This is plane of spin. This is plane of precision. ही जी dotted plane आहे हे, this one is perpendicular to this horizontal one, and this is also perpendicular to this vertical one. Perpendicular to both spin and precision plane is called gyroscopic plane. Is called gyroscopic plane. Gyroscopic plane. Next line, you can write one important point under this. The gyroscopic action observed in this plane. Gyroscopic this plane. त्या गाडीच्या एखाद्या व्हेइकल आहे फोर व्हीलरच्या पाठीमागून जर आपण बघितलं, ती फोर व्हीलर उजव्या बाजूला टिल्ट झाली का डाव्या बाजूला टिल्ट झाली हे आपण पाठीमागून बघितल्यानंतर कळणार आहे, राईट. अँड दॅट प्लेन, आता आपल्याला समोर दिसणार आहे बाबा व्हेइकल इज टिल्टेड इन डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन ऍट द राईट. मग ती कुठे दिसणार आपण पाठीमागच्या बाजूने जर व्हेइकल कडे बघितल्यानंतर. अँड दॅट व्हॉट एव्हर प्लेन और व्हॉट एव्हर टिल्टिंग ऑफ द व्हेइकल इट टुक्स प्लेस इन दॅट प्लेन ऑफ कपल, ते म्हणजे गायरोस्कोपिक कपल. अँड द प्लेन इन विच वी आर ऑब्झर्विंग दॅट इज नथिंग बट द gyroscopic plane. That is nothing but the gyroscopic plane. Okay. Next, you can write right hand screw rule. Right hand screw rule. Right hand screw rule. Right hand screw rule. Write down. So this will be asked in MCQ. Right hand screw rule. Write down. Statement. You can write statement. Curl. So everybody should write na curl, curl. Curl the fingers of right hand. Curl the fingers of right hand such that fingertips indicate the direction of rotation of rotor. Direction of rotation of rotor. And in such case thumb point outs the direction of angular momentum. Direction of angular momentum. Direction of angular momentum. Okay. Now, just I will try to elaborate on this. So, so one minute. Okay. My hand is visible. Hand is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the curl the fingers of right hand in such a way that fingertips indicates direction of rotor rotation. Suppose this is one rotor and it is going to rotate like this, right? So we are going to consider such shaft, and around this I have considered this hand, and what this fingertip indicates, this fingertips indicates direction of rotation of rotor, and in that case this thumb denotes direction of angular momentum. Direction of angular momentum. Now suppose rotor is rotating in this direction, that is clockwise, then I need to hold the hand like this. In that case this thumb denotes the direction of angular momentum. So while applying the rule for the vector diagram, I will elaborate this more. Okay. So next you can take, write down. Next, write down. Basics. Sorry, one more, two more definitions are remaining. Okay. Write down. Active gyroscopic couple. Active gyroscopic couple. Active gyroscopic couple. Active gyroscopic couple. So write down. Write down. It is torque required. It is torque required. सगळ्या definition लिहून घ्या. I'm going to provide this definition to you, but you should write. This may be asked in any MCQ. Torque required. Torque required torque required to cause the axis of spin to precise in horizontal plane. Precise in horizontal plane. To precise in horizontal plane is called active gyroscopic torque, or couple, So what is unit for torque? Newton meter. What is unit for couple? Newton meter. So this is the rotating disc. This one is the rotating disc. And if this OX is going to precise in horizontal plane, to maintain its position in horizontal plane, a couple or torque is required, and that is nothing but the active gyroscopic couple. आता आपण बाईक वरून जातो आणि टर्न मध्ये निगोशिएट करताना किंवा तुम्ही रेस बघितली असेल बाईकच्या रेसेस, त्याच्यामध्ये काय असते, सो ऑन द टर्निंग, तो एक लॅप झाला की त्या टर्निंगच्या वेळेस तुम्ही बघितलं असेल की गुडघे टेकवत आहेत. दॅट मीन्स they are going to tilt their body inward. That is nothing but the action. To load whatever body tilting with respect to some distance, whatever vehicle चे सेंटर आहे त्याच्यापासून टिल्ट किंवा लोड किती डिस्टन्स मध्ये अप्लाय केलाय, that is nothing but the active torque, and that is also called as the active gyroscopic couple. Next line you can write reactive gyroscopic couple. Reactive gyroscopic couple. Reactive gyroscopic couple. Write down torque in bracket reaction torque which tends to rotate the axis of spin in bracket opposition to keep axis of spin in bracket opposition to keep axis of spin horizontal. हा ऍक्सिस ऑफ स्पिन आहे, हा जर हॉरिझॉन्टल नाही राहिला तर व्हेइकलची बॉडी टिल्ट होणार. मग तो हॉरिझॉन्टल ठेवण्यासाठी जो टॉर्क अप्लाय करतो त्याच्याला फॉर दॅट वी आर गोइंग टू कॉल इट एज ऍक्टिव्ह. आणि तो ऍक्टिव्ह का अप्लाय करावा लागतोय, बिकॉज ऑन कर्वेचर देर इज रिएक्टिव्ह गायरो कपल. आणि ते रिएक्टिव्ह गायरो कपल, व्हॉट इज दॅट रिएक्टिव्ह गायरो कपल? That is opposition to keep axis of spin horizontal. हा horizontal राहत नाही. horizontal ठेवण्यासाठी horizontal राहू नये म्हणून there will be some reaction, and that is called as a reactive gyroscopic torque or the couple in bracket. So once again I would repeat, torque or reaction torque which tends to rotate the axis of spin in bracket opposition to keep axis of spin horizontal bracket complete in the opposite direction. That is that is in counterclockwise direction. In counterclockwise direction is known as reactive torque or couple. Is known as reactive torque or couple. Gyroscopic torque or couple. Okay, then take down this diagram. Next bit you can write precessional angular motion. Precessional angular motion. You can draw these two diagrams. Draw these two diagrams. Hello. A screen is visible. Kiran?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just I am trying some different way so that you will get some more details. Okay. So already you have drawn. बंद करा शुभम. Light चमकते. Okay. Okay. So already everybody has drawn the diagram. Next line you can write. Consider, consider, consider plain disc, plain disc spinning, plain disc spinning, plain disc spinning about the axis OX, about the axis OX, OX, OX with angular speed omega, with angular speed omega as shown in figure A, as shown in figure A. This is figure A, as shown in figure A.